Are you currently in your 2-week wait? Well, there's one food that I want you to include over the next couple of weeks to boost your chances of pregnancy and get you closer to that positive pregnancy test. If we haven't met before, I'm Maddie. I'm a fertility and pregnancy dietitian based in Australia, and I'm a mum of 2 little boys. Try including beetroot. Beetroot has been found in recent studies to increase the likelihood of implantation and the increased chance of pregnancies. But you might be thinking, how do I cook with this strange root vegetable? Well, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to include it in your everyday. 1, we're going to make beetroot chocolate cupcakes. 2, let's do a beetroot and feta salad. And 3, let's put beetroot in a smoothie. So you're probably wondering, why beetroot? What's so special about this purple vegetable that I need to be including it in my 2-week wait? Well, the theory goes that because beetroot is high in nitrates, and nitrates are known to promote blood flow around the body, that it is promoting blood flow. Oh, why can't I say that word today? Blood flow. Oh my gosh. I cannot deal. I cannot say that word today. Blood flow to the uterus, which then creates a beautiful environment for implantation to occur. It is also a veggie that's rich in folate, which is important for early pregnancy, and antioxidants, which help with our fertility health as well. So in the study released in 2023, women who were undergoing embryo transfers were split into 2 groups. One drank a combination of beetroot, watermelon and ginger, and the other was a control group. Those in the juice group drank it every day from the day of embryo transfer until the day of a pregnancy test or the next period. And the results found that those in the group that drank the juice had higher rates of implantation and pregnancies. Alrighty, time for us to make the beetroot choc chip muffins. I don't know, I'm just thinking, I don't know why I wore white. That was probably the silliest idea. I am notorious for getting stains on white clothes, so let's see how this goes, because I can't be bothered changing. Step 1 is to add all the wet ingredients together, and then we're going to blend them. So that's half a cup of the pureed beetroot, 3 eggs, half a cup of maple syrup. We've got half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, ideally melted, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then you're going to blend that up. That is blended. Next, we're going to do the dry ingredients in the bowl. So we've got 1 1/4 cup of almond milk. 5 months old is such a cute age. Little talker down there. Yeah, it was pretty funny, wasn't it, baby? 1/4 cup of that. Need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda. Just a little reminder here that not one thing or food that you eat in your 2-week wait is going to determine a pregnancy. But sometimes it can be nice to have something to do during this time, because I know personally it can be quite stressful and you're counting down those days after ovulation and you just need something to control. Right, go slow, Madison, go slow. I'll give that a mix it all together. Once you've combined the wet and dry ingredients together, give them a mix and then add the chocolate or choc chips to it, which is about 100 grams. And then once we've done that, give it another bit of a stir. Such a vibrant colour for this one. And then you just want to dish it up into your muffin trays. Next time will put in those little patty pans because it will be easy to get out. And then you pop it in the oven, 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And then they come out like a little chocolatey muffin. The last recipe we're going to do is the berry beetroot smoothie. So I've just added about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of beetroot, whatever was left over really. And then I'm going to do a cup of blueberries. Frozen, that is. And then the rest of it, like, you just do a little dash of this, dash of that, dash of maple syrup, whatever you feel like. Just put a scoop of collagen powder in. I'm gonna do some Greek yogurt. You should see the mess of my kitchen right now that we're up to recipe 3. It's getting a bit crazy. What's that? That's 1/2 cup. I am definitely not a clean cook by any stretch of the imagination. 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. In she goes. And then probably 1/2 cup of milk. I'm just using oat milk, but whatever you fancy. How's that look? Might need a little bit more. Splash more. And then whiz her up. Let's see what this one tastes like. Ooh, we've got a lovely purple drink, guys. I'll put it in a non-aesthetic glass, sorry. But I don't want to spill any, so we're going for the wide opening. Wowee. That is purple. Guys, that is delish. Love that. So good. Definitely make that one. You will not regret. One little thing, just while I remember, there is the potential side effect from eating beetroot that your wees and poos could turn a bit pinky purpley colour. So don't be alarmed and think that you've got some blood happening. This is definitely a side effect from eating such a colourful vegetable. The aftermath of cooking. Ugh. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give this video a like, follow along, hoping to make lots more fun nutrition and cooking videos and just help you through this wild, wild journey that is fertility and motherhood. See you next time.